Now that we have an empty Google Drive waiting to be populated with our files, let's go over the interface. If you have just started out with a brand new empty Google Drive, you may have one document from Google in here to get started. At the very top center of the screen is a search bar. Just search for your files that are stored in Drive. All the way on the right hand side of the screen is how to access your main Google information. You can click on your avatar icon, and from here, you can access your Google privacy settings. You can click Manage your Google account, which is global across your Google products. You can also click to add a new account here, and you can sign out of Google Drive. To the left of that is the thumbnail grid icon. Here, you can access every other Google product. Below this is the main context bar for Google Drive. You can click on My Drive, and here's where you can create new folders, upload files, and create new Google Docs this way. If you select a file like I just did, a context menu will appear at the top of the screen. There are actions you can perform on that file, such as previewing it, deleting it, and you can click the three dots to get some more actions. You can also click to alternate between Grid View and List View. This changes how your files are displayed in the main view. Clicking the eye with a circle on it will toggle on and off the Details pane. This will tell you all the details about a file and any activity related to that file. You can close out of it by clicking the X. I didn't mention the gear icon on the top right hand side. Clicking the gear icon will allow you to access Google Drive settings. You can also click to download the desktop app for Google Drive. And finally, you can get a list of keyboard shortcuts if you like to use those. On the right hand side is a sidebar. This is common in a lot of Google products now, and it's one-click access to other products like Google Calendar, Google Keep, and Tasks. You can click the plus sign to add more. But on the bottom right hand side of the screen, I'm going to click this arrow to hide it, so it's not a distraction. You also may have this link here to get Drive for Desktop. I'll click the X to close out of that also. Here, you can see how much storage space you've used in Drive. You can buy more if needed. And above that is a navigation bar. This is where you can see the contents of your drive. And I can click to expand it by clicking on these triangles. Right now, I don't have any folders, but we'll be creating these over the course. You can see files that you've shared, files that others have shared with you, files you have accessed recently, stored and put in trash. Finally, in the middle of the screen is the main Google Drive area. This contains your actual data. You can also right-click on any file to open it, preview it, share it, move it, even download it to your computer.